Another one.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Portage County in northeastern Ohio.
Another
Western
considerable
Geauga
damage.
County in northeastern Ohio. Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio. Southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio. Northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Parma or near Cleveland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Willowick, Fairport Harbor, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, North Royalton, Solon, Willoughby, Twinsburg, Eastlake, Warrensville Heights, Macedonia, South Russell, and Highland Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
Richland
until
County,
6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight
70
Time
mile
for
an
the
hour
following
winds.
counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake, Portage, and Summit.
70 and 80 mile an hour winds pretty much everywhere along this line. Over here, there were 70 mile an hour winds up here, and now up in Cleveland.